Hello guys, welcome to Vibe Technologies. In this video, we will learn how to create a new service entry in our ServicePro software. First, we have to open our ServicePro software using Chrome. Now click Service in this screen. In the service entry page, click Create New Service button. Step 1. Add customer details. Select an existing customer or create a new customer using click plus button. Now add customer name, mobile number, then address, then click Save Details. Choose an existing customer, then click Next button. Step 2. Enter product details. Choose the existing brand name or create a new brand name using plus button. Type a brand name and click Save Brand button. Then choose a product name or create a new product name using plus button. Enter product name, then click Save Product. Enter the serial number or IMI number if available. Enter a product model number. Then you can also upload product image for reference. If the device has a screen lock or pattern, enter the pattern or draw the pattern lock. Then click Next button. Step 3. Add a problem details. Enter the issue reported by the customer, example display issue, battery problem, or create a new problem using plus button. Here, add the problem like battery issue. Then click Save Details. Now choose Created Problem Details. Then click Next button. Step 4. Service Details. Select the assigned attender. Select the product status like working condition, dead condition, semi-working. Now enter estimate amount, advance amount, then choose contract type. Then enter expected amount, received amount, then choose payment type, then choose contract type, then click Next button. Step 5. Accessories. Select the accessories received with the product or create a new accessories. Click this plus button. Enter the accessories name and then click Save Details. Review all the details and click Save Service Entry. After saving, it should ask, do you want print? You can choose any one of the options. If a printer is connected, you can print it. Now, a unique service number will be generated automatically. The job card is now ready to print or share with the customer. That's it. Your service entry has been created successfully. Thank you for using ServicePro software.